25 great tips for housewives who want to earn money. 1. Making pie and pie. 2. Evaluating goals. 3. Opening a food channel. 4. Affiliate with affiliate. 5. Making wedding candy. 6. Selling unworn and unused items. 7. Making miniature gardens. 8. Audiobooks. 9. Designing and selling. 10. Online surveys. 11. Opening an online boutique. 12. Making soap. 13. Products for babies. 14. Home cooking. 15. Virtual assistant. 16. Organization business. 17. Proofreading. 18. Babysitting. 19. Starting a blog. 20. Instructor. 21. Homemade products such as Jam-Pickles. 22. Ironing. 23. Dropshipping. 24. Organic farming. 25. Listening to music.